Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Restaurant.
Do you think so?
And I'm not hungry.
Okay. Well, you can
eat anyway.
you can watch us eat. How's that?
Yes, I'm not eating if I'm not hungry. If I'm full.
Are you sure we're at a restaurant?
Yes.
Really? Okay.
No.
Okay.
I knew it when I heard the music. Why does this look like the place?
Wow.
Why does this look like the place that does it have a wall? Why does it look like that?
I don't know. Do you want a bowl? What do you want to do?
I do not know.
Do you want to play games? What do you want to do, honey?
This.
Okay.
Oh, you need something light.
I don't know where you go get it.
What do you want? Hey, pumpkin.
Yeah. I guess no people work here. It's just machines.
I don't know how you do it.
And there's nobody here to help.
Okay, the machine don't
Okay.
get changed. Okay, so right here.
Yeah.
How much?
Is it just for games or is it for bowling too?
I have no clue.
Just do 10 because I don't know what it's for. Can't ask anybody.
Okay, one card.
Right there.
Okay.
I guess hit OK.
Oh.
Do you hit the OK button? Or do you hit the green button?
Oh, okay. What did it say? Contact was what?
Can't read it.
Oh, here's your card.
Okay, this is to play
Oh, wait a minute.
arcade game.
I missed
What?
the receipt. I missed the receipt. Oh well,
I thought it would automatically come out.
guess not.
It's too bad there's nobody here to ask. All right, we don't know how to use it yet.
Oh, I guess I swipe. You gotta swipe it here.
Now you can play.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Keep going. You gotta get it past this. Okay, now you can move it sideways.
Which way do you want to move it? Try to line it up. Whoa! Look at that! No way! Wow! On me long enough. All right, Grandpa, look at it.
Holy shit,
That
it's
was
way
my
back
first
here.
time. That was my first time doing one of these things.
I know. Boy, they don't roll it to the door, do they?
Okay.
Wow. Okay, what else do you want to play? Do you want to play a game rather than this stuff? You want to ride the motorcycle?
You want to do it with me?
Yeah, sit on this one or that one. Do you want to sit on it and play it? No? Okay. How about this game? I think what you have to do is,
You're gonna throw balls at the clown.
all right, so balls will come out, I guess.
Oh, they come out right here, I guess.
All right, what
Huh?
you don't want to do it? Okay, what else? Super Mario? Okay, sit down.
You want to play with me?
Here, you sit right here. I guess swipe the card.
It's all new. Mario Kart Arcade Grand Prix Deluxe.
2 players, 1 coin.
I don't know. Just swipe the card.
What's on forward and what's on backward?
Competition entry received.
Okay, start playing. That one's
Adjustable
that one's
seat.
the gas.
Adjustable seat.
For easy driving.
Forward. Wait. Oh,
That's
that's
it.
all the way forward.
Okay. This one's the brake, that one's the gas.
Okay.
Okay. Pull the lever up to move. This lever?
It's gonna count down. Go ahead. Hit the gas.
Who do you want to be? Pick your character. You want to be the girl? Okay.
I didn't want that.
I took a picture.
Do normal.
Okay, you do normal, left to right. by hitting that button.
Anticipated race will begin. Mario Kart Arcade Grand Prix Deluxe. On the way around the world, everyone is on the start. Grand Prix. Rosalina is currently in 6th place. Rosalina is gradually closing in. Rosalina is catching up.
Oh, man, you're flying.
Rosalina is looking for an opening, and the time to make an attack. Rosalina is going on as well, and wants to move up in the race. Rosalina has picked up the pace. Rosalina! Rosalina is looking to make a move. Rosalina is catching up. There's just one more lap to go. Rosalina, can you stay ahead of the pack? Rosalina is now in 4th place. Rosalina is looking for a challenge. Rosalina has picked up the pace. The race is moving into a stalemate. Every card is looking for a chance. Rosalina is catching up. It looks like everyone is extending their rivals' moves. Rosalina is going into the last corner. Rosalina is showing all their determination. Big contact. Rosalina has reached the goal.
You finished in 2nd place, Pumpkin, all right? Here we go.
Press start to begin. Player 2, go. Watch out for zombies.
Down lower. Right down here. There you go. There you go, Pumpkin.
Go down with the gun. There you go. Go down. Whoa.
Headshot. High loaded. Time for the lightning round. Get ready for throne hangers. It's nerf or nothing. Look at those sharks fly. Loading. there, player 2. Continue.
Still going?
Oh, maybe I haven't put it in the right light. There you go.
Everything's automated. You have to use a card for everything to play here.
Huh?
Hit the start button.
Okay.
No!
You're gonna roll it like that.
Oh, I didn't know.
Hard. You're gonna roll it hard.
Real hard, honey.
No, real hard. Real hard. Nope, not
Yeah.
hard enough.
Want me to show you?
I can't do
Go like
it.
this from back here and go. Yeah. Almost.
Oh, there you go.